Hello everyone, let's talk about should you choose to become a software engineer in 2024 or not. You might have seen a lot of news these days regarding the layoffs this year and as well as last year, and ever since the COVID has came in, we have facing this issue. The question comes, and this is one of the biggest question of your life, that you should become software engineer or not. This video is mainly for those who are planning to choose whether they should pursue in computer science or they should opt something else like commerce or some other subjects, or they should become scientists or something like that. But software to become software engineers, there are certain perks. There are some benefits, but for 2024 and not for 2024, even for this decade, means 2024 until 2030, you need to look in 5 to 6 year or maybe 10 year of your goal. But for now we'll focus on 6 years of your goal, 2024 until 2030. The benefit of becoming a software engineer is that software engineers, and the most worry usually people have is that what will happen, means after AI, what happens to our job and all those things. First thing, that there are so many companies, and till now, till today, lot of code has been written down, lot of features has been, a lot of software which has been running right now in computers. They need people, they need software engineers, those companies need software engineers. Now the question is that how are we going to adopt to this environment and make ourselves better so that we are fit for the job. And even now, means so many softwares are still going to come, new products are going to launch. One product has disrupted the market. This thing happens very rarely in the recent years, but for the coming years, for even this year, becoming a software engineer, it is still in high demand. You can go any hiring website and you can go and see that how many active jobs are there, you can, and how much salary they are offering. Means salary depends upon country by country, but on an average, you can earn a good income. What means you could consider a good lifestyle if you are a software engineer, if you're a good software engineer. Now there is also a term, right? When we say that you want to become an SDE, but means nowadays everyone can go and learn something and write a code, right? So right now software engineering is not about just to write a code or just to build a software. It's about how big a problem you can solve or how efficient you are. These are the concerns, or these are the points which need to be taken care whenever they are making any decision, whether they want to keep a software engineer or they want to keep a software engineer. And also, one size doesn't fit all. So basically, if you can only code, if you're only looking that I become a software engineer, I get a job at Google and my life is settled. No, even you get a job at Google, after that life is not easy, because company like Google, everything is working fine. It's a Google, right? So what you are going to do? What are you going to do over there? Because there are a lot of senior people, a lot of senior engineers. What problem they can solve? Means what problem they cannot solve? So they are hiring you to solve that problem. So or they are hiring you to write a code. So that's not the point nowadays. They want a person who can solve a problem. Doesn't matter what language or what stack you are using. You can solve the problem. Definitely, the benefits that software engineers are always being in demand. Moving forward, means till 2030. The thing is that they will be in demand, but only good software engineers. When I say good software engineers, man, they are able to. They should be overall package. Means I can make a separate video that what a good software engineer is and what all skills are required on top of becoming a good software engineer. But for now, we keep in a way that whether you should pursue SDE in 2024 or not. I would say yes, but you need to consider fellow points in here that if you want to pursue SDE, you should be, or you need to prepare yourself for working extra hours, burnout, and demanding work and challenging technology. Means how does it, even like if I consider myself, even every 6 months we are working on something new. If something new is coming, means if I see 5 or 10 years, there was no Docker 10 years ago. There was no React. So, and these are just a small thing, means a lot of things are coming. The whole AWS or whole cloud technology itself is a lot of things. Has every new service is something different and provide certain, see, they are solving a problem. Every new service in any cloud you pick up, they solve a specific problem. So I'm saying again, you should not worry. You should pursue your career as a software engineer. But what you need to do is you need to be really focused. Means I would say laser focus if you really need to become a good software engineer in 2024 and even moving forward. And even though, means if you are waiting to get a better job, don't lose hope. You will get a better job. Just prepare for it and just sharpen your skill set. When people sometimes say that do this certification, even I also get it, that you, if you do certification to get a knowledge, you should really focus on solving the problem. But you should increase your knowledge no matter from where you are getting, watching YouTube, reading books, solving problems, no matter what. But the goal objective is that you should not lose hope in terms of seeing current market situation. And if you really want, if you need help in terms of career guidance, you can write down in the comment section that I need suggestion in particular area. I'll try to reply you that what action item you would take, or you can follow my channel so that you will get to know that what action item or what roadmap I should follow to become a better software engineer for long run. And it's also not that people, I see that many people usually work in Google for 6 months and then they say that I am a Googler. They have even 6 months in Google, they have not even solved a single problem. Somehow they get a job and then they are just I don't know, maybe 6 months is even when we hire people, 6 months is not enough for any person to build a certain feature. Means for example, I don't know which country you are from, but if you see that nowadays you have a lot of this payment system, like you means for example QR payment. Okay, if suppose you have to build a QR payment, and like usually when there is a sale, right, when there is a particular country that certain, so for example Christmas there is a sale, so the payment transaction for the QR one goes like drastically. So the person who worked in Google for 6 months or like Facebook for 1 year, they have not even solved any problem. So don't look advice for these people that I get selected at Google this many rounds and all those things. I will upload many videos in this track as well under this playlist. So if you can also subscribe. Again, I'm saying you can subscribe to it. I can see you're not subscribing it, but I'm definitely saying you should subscribe to the channel so that you should be aware that what all things I will be uploading, and it will be benefit to your career as well. I'm sharing my experience. So again, for 2024, yeah, it's a go ahead that you should go for software engineer, but a good software engineer. Later I will upload, if you like this video, I will upload a video that what is a good software engineer and how you can sustain in this journey, and how you can become a better software engineer. Also means software engineer is not the end goal. Your end goal is something else, right? You need to earn money or whatever your end goal is, but it's just that it is the first step. So just focus on your goal. I think if you watched my previous video, just focus on your career. Okay, just focus on your career for now. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you.